Hi guys, so today we'll be reviewing the Mokuru wooden desk toy or fidget toy, and it's the latest craze in Japan. So the Mokuru was designed in Japan and was very successful as a Kickstarter, so now it's available to buy here. So it's made out of beech wood and it's specially designed and curved so it can roll like this. And if I go forward, so that's how it can roll. So now we're going to do some tricks and have a little practice. So let's go. So it takes a bit of practice, but when you get used to it, you can do like stuff where it goes into your hands. So you're kind of playing catch with yourself, and you can roll, catch, roll, catch, roll, catch, roll, catch, and like going like squares or circles or any type of shape, like just like that. I was doing well at that there. And yeah, and you can do other tricks such as so you could you could do that, and the main thing I use it for, I like to use, is just to try get it to land. So it turns a few times and lands like that. But you can do lots of cool tricks with this. It's so fun just watching it do that. Gone for days and days. So now I'm going to try the Mokuru version of bottle flip. Let's go. I did it! I didn't touch it! I'm going to go again. I did it again! Ah! Okay, come on. I'm going to do one more attempt. One more. The Mokuru stick. It's very fun to use. You get lots of different colours. I think there's 7 different colours, and they're about £10 in shops. So this colour is matcha, and the size is alright, so it's perfect to fit in your pocket. It's decent quality, so it doesn't feel like it's going to break easily. And they're not. I wouldn't recommend them for school because they do make quite a bit of noise when they shake, and if you end up failing like that, if you end up failing like this, they make a loud noise, and this is gonna satisfy me for a long time until I get to land it officially. Oh look, I've done it. Definitely. So there are a lot of fake ones because it's so popular, but I wouldn't recommend buying them because the people who have made this Mokuru have took a lot of time and a lot of effort trying to carve and get the perfect shape to try so it can flip and do amazing tricks. And the fake ones, won't balance as well when the flipping and stuff, and they won't be as good to do tricks like this. Woo! Just look out for the ones that say Mokuru. So we have teamed up with Mokuru to do a giveaway, and 2 of you lucky subscribers could win one of these awesome Mokuru sticks, and the link is in the description below. Good luck! Bye! Don't forget to subscribe! Bye!